How to show what games you are playing on Discord. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily display all the games that you are playing in your Discord. So without any further delay, let us get started. First thing first, you need to have your Discord application installed. Once you install this application, open it, then get logged into your Discord account. You will see a page like this. In here at the below page on your left hand side, you will see your name. Click onto the gear icon, which is also called User Settings. Here, scroll below. Under Activity Settings, locate Activity Privacy. Here at the first option that says Share your detected activities with others, toggle on this button. Once done, click on to Registered Games. It will show you all the games that you have added. If your games are active, you will be able to see this eye icon. If you click onto it, it will hide your games. So untoggle or unclick this, and it will show you all the games to your friends that you are playing. If you would like to add new games, you can also add it by clicking on Add It. Select anything here. You can also select Steam or Google Chrome. Likewise, that is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching, guys. We will catch you up in our next upload.